Hello students, Sarabjit here, and you all know that I am teaching English 1 in your class. Today we will start new topic, that is a comprehension, that is unseen passage, that how we can solve unseen passage. Open your books, class 6th, and page number 141. First of all, comprehension is ability to understand something. What is the comprehension? That how we can understand. That is the ability to understand something, understand some paragraphs and all these things. So whenever there will be a one paragraph, we have in the comprehension and in the unseen passage, there will be one paragraph and the questions will be asked from that paragraph, and you have to answer those ones. How we can read that paragraph? Firstly, we have to read that paragraph generally for taking the general points, that what is the main idea in that paragraph. Second one point is that read again slowly. You have to read that paragraph again in a slowly manner and know that what are the important points over there. Firstly, you have to take the general idea. Second one, that you have to find that what are the important details over there. Third one is study the questions, that which questions are asked, and then underline the relevant lines over there in the paragraph. Which are the relevant lines, you have to underline those ones and rewrite those lines in your own words. Don't copy those lines which are on the book. Rewrite according to question those lines. The last one thing is that you have to write the answer in a complete sentence, not in a one word or two words. If the question is asked that you have to write it in the one word, then you have to write. Otherwise, you have to write it in the complete sentence. So today we will take one passage. I'll tell you how you will solve it. In the exams, there will be some other paragraphs will be there, not from your book only. They will ask you other paragraphs. You have to find answers yourself. So today our lives have become quite hectic. Nothing exciting or adventurous ever seems to happen. The solution to this is to read books. Books are an important, educative and informative medium suitable for all age groups. Even elders sometimes read books to escape from their not so exciting schedule. A book which makes a person smile and relieves boredom and dullness is worth reading. Today it is said that books are not about reading alone, but also for gaining some useful knowledge from them. So books are not for getting knowledge only, not for getting reading only. They give us many things. They relieve us from the boredom also, and they give us very useful information. Some days back, a book fair was held at Pragati Maidan. I, along with few of my friends, went to see the fair. There is one boy who went over there to see that book fair that is held in the Pragati Maidan. I purchased many books, but the book I liked the most was the Freedom at Midnight. The book which he liked most, that was the Freedom at Midnight. This was the story of India's freedom struggle, the sacrifices made by its leaders and common people, written by celebrated authors Larry Collins and Dominique Lepire. It was pure delight and revealing experience to know the day by day account of this momentous chapter in the history of humankind. After reading this book, I now know how precious our free existence as a nation is. This is our paragraph. I have read this one. Firstly, what is the general idea over here? That it is about the freedom struggle. One boy went over there, and firstly he tell us about the importance of books, and afterwards he told us about one book that he purchased. So afterwards you have to read it again and underline the important lines. Now the question is, third one point is that we have to read the questions. First is, what solution does the author suggest to keep away boredom and dullness in our lives? So answer is, the answer is written, the line is written, the solution is to, this is to read books. So how we will write it? The author suggests reading of books keeps away boredom and dullness in our lives. We have to rewrite it according to the question. Second one is, what are the advantages of reading books? So what are the advantages? We have to find over here. Books are important educative and informative medium, and it relieves boredom and dullness in a worth reading. So we will write it in this way. Books are an educative and informative medium. They relieve boredom and dullness. Third one is, what is the issue being reflected in the story? So what was the issue? That India's freedom struggle. It was the issue. You have to write it. India's freedom struggle is the issue being reflected in the story. The fourth one is, who wrote the book Freedom at Midnight? Who wrote that one? We have written it. It is written here that author Larry Collins and Domenico Lapire. So the answer is, Freedom at Midnight was written by Larry Collins and Domenico Lapire. Now the second one thing which is asked, find out the words from the passage which have been same meaning as those given below. We have to write that means we have to write the synonyms. In the previous video I have uploaded the synonym topic also. You can find more synonyms by yourself. So here is one word, weariness, that means boredom. Second one is renowned, that is celebrated. Third one is very important, that is momentous. These words are here in your paragraph. So your vocabulary should be strong. So improve your vocabulary for this one. Third one is multiple choice questions. Books should be read to, there is options, relieve boredom, gain useful knowledge and pass exams. So most importantly, books should be read to gain useful knowledge. Second one is, Freedom at Midnight is about India's freedom saga. If there will be any doubt, you can discuss and ask in the comment section box. Try to solve these paragraphs from your book and try to solve if you have any other books also, because in the exam there will be external paragraphs and you have to solve those ones. Thanks and have a nice day.